Hi guys, welcome to Chillipot kitchen. My name is Darshini. Today I'm going to show you perfect healthy snack, roasted garbanzo beans also known as chickpeas in the air fryer. In this video, I'm going to share two different seasoning which goes great with this air fried chickpeas recipe. This snack is filled with a lot of protein, fiber, vitamins and minerals. These are guilt-free, gluten-free and perfect for vegan diet. I have used my two favorite kitchen appliances, that is Instant Pot to cook chickpeas and air fryer to roast them to make a perfect crispy and crunchy chickpea snack. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Looking for more Instant Pot or electric pressure cooker, air fryer and Instant Pot blender recipes? Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more easy and tasty video recipes. I post new videos every Tuesday, Friday and Sunday. Let's get started. I have soaked chickpeas overnight. Cook chickpeas in the Instant Pot for 12 minutes or you can use canned chickpeas. I have given the link for how to cook chickpeas in the Instant Pot in the description box below. Do check it. It's super easy to cook chickpeas in the Instant Pot even without pre-soaking. Drain and rinse the cooked chickpeas or canned chickpeas. Place drained chickpeas in the air fryer basket or tray. I'm using Instant Vortex Plus. I have given the link for this air fryer in the description box below. If you need one, do check it. Set temperature to 390 Fahrenheit and timer to 17 minutes. Then touch start. You no need to preheat the air fryer. In my air fryer, when the display indicates add food, I'm just removing the chickpeas. This is after 5 minutes. I choose to spray my chickpeas with olive oil at this step because they are dried and ready to be roasted. I fill my spray bottle with oil and use it for all my air fryer cooking. I have given the link for this oil spray bottle in the description box below. If you need one, please do check it. Close and continue air frying. Shake about every 5 minutes to get evenly roasted chickpeas. Sometimes I roast mine for an extra 3 minutes for extra crunchy in roast option. I won't add seasoning at first. When I'm adding it first, I feel like the season burn or sometimes it falls off. If you need them a little crispier, then put them in for a few more minutes. Every air fryer is different, so keep an eye on it. When you're trying it for first time, please try to make it with little quantity and check the perfect cook time in your air fryer. In the meantime, let's make a seasoning. Let's check on the ingredients to make Chilli-Lime seasoning. Take a screenshot of ingredients or check the description box below later. In a bowl, add chili powder, cumin powder, salt, garlic powder, lime juice. Adjust the spice as per your taste and give it a quick mix. Chilli-Lime seasoning is ready. Let's check on the ingredients to make Cajun seasoning. Take a screenshot of ingredients or check the description box below later. In a bowl, add Cajun seasoning, onion powder, garlic powder and salt. If you want, you can add paprika too. Adjust the spice as per your taste. Cajun season is ready. Once the chickpeas are done cooking, add them to the seasoning, toss it well. Allow them to cool and enjoy it. Store it in the airtight container, it will be good for a week in room temperature. Our air fried roasted chickpeas are ready. Thanks for watching my video. If you like the video, give a thumbs up. Do try this recipe at your home and give me a feedback in the comment section below. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Pin the recipes on Pinterest. If you have any questions or feedback, write it in the comment section below. I will respond to it as soon as possible. And see you guys in the next video. Bye.